like to talk to you about the double stroke roll. It's a drum rudiment. It's typically the second drum rudiment that we'll learn, and it's doubles. So we double the right and then we double the left. So we have right, right, left, left. Now by now you should know the eighth note exercise, 8 on a hand for warming up. You should know your single beat combinations. And now we're single stroke roll, and now we're talking about the double stroke roll. So we're going to do right, right, left, left. And we're going to just repeat that. And we're going to get the tempo as fast as we can play it, and then take the tempo down back to where we started. It sounds like this. And that's the double stroke roll. You'll notice that when I got my tempo to a certain point, I actually started using my fingers. And I'll go over that in another video about how we use our fingers, our wrists, to create the amazing amount of things that we can do in drums. Thank you very much. Have a great day.